Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to sign PDF document on Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and now you want to sign the PDF documents, let's see how can you do this. Just open your app drawer and here just open Notes app and here just tap on the mini plus icon and you will get your notes here. Just select any note, then select done, and here you just have to select the node in which you have to sign. For example, I have created this one, and here you just have to tap on this icon, just tap here, and here select your pen. You can easily change the color of your pen if you want. So after that, here's the thickness. You can increase or decrease it, and after that just zoom in, and here you just have to enter your sign just like that. I have entered this one. For example, you can easily enter one which you have. Just enter your sign and then tap on three dots in the top right corner. Then select save as file. From here just select PDF, and here just select the place in which you want to save at. Then select done. So then select save. You can easily rename it if you want. So that's how you can easily sign your PDF document on your Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.